Hello everyone, very good morning, good afternoon, good evening.
Good afternoon, sir.
Morning, sir.
Yes, good
afternoon.
good afternoon, good morning, and good evening. Jia, Kanak, Naja, Vedant, I think got disconnected from one, but welcome everybody. Switch on your cameras, and yeah, Priyanka is joining back, and let's start. Hi Vedant. Yes, Jia. Quickly switch on your cameras and let's start. Yes, Priyanka, good. So, thank you, Kanak. So, last class, yesterday we started with algebra, the basics of algebra. We talked about all different terms like coefficient, constants, variables, expressions, equations, and terms. The most important thing was terms. And after that, there was a rule how to add and subtract terms. And the rule is only like terms can be added or subtracted, only like terms. And we talked about what are like terms in detail with a lot of problems. Like term means variable is same. Today we're going to extend it. We are going to learn multiplying terms, dividing terms, multiplying expressions, solving one variable equations, and maybe polynomials. But whatever we learned till yesterday, all will be very useful. Let's do one question just to review and recap what we did yesterday, and then we'll move on to do today's class. Anybody want to say anything or ask me anything before we start? You can all unmute if you want. Okay, so Vishita is joining now. Yesterday she was not there. Who is listening?
I have a question.
Ask me, please.
So the homework, do you post it on Sundays or Saturdays?
So the homework will be whatever we done yesterday and today. What we'll do, I'm going to send you homework in 1 or 2 days. Maybe Tuesday or Wednesdays you'll get the homework for both these classes, Saturday and Sunday.
So after both of the classes.
Right.
Okay.
Generally, yes. So welcome, Mishita. You missed yesterday's class. Why?
I was a bit sick.
You are good today?
Yeah.
Perfect. So welcome. So let's start. Yesterday we started algebra. Let's do one question for revision. If I say simplify, if I say 2a plus 5c plus b plus 3 minus a minus 2c plus 7b. Just simplify it quickly. 1 minute time I'm going to give you and everybody is telling you answer. Looks like 90 is still missing today. But this is the basic algebra. Everybody should be very strong in this. Simplify means you add the like terms, add or subtract. That's it. Nacha, your video is off. Come on. Yes, please. Thank you. Hope everyone know how to do this. No confusion at all, right, Nacha? I can see Kanak's answer. Okay. Just write everyone your answer on the chat. I can see Vedant's answer. Okay. Vedant and Kanak answer is same. Nishita. Okay. Same answer, Nishita. Very nice, Nishita. Good. I'll give you 10 seconds more, guys, and then I'll write my answer. Gia, your answer is writing. Okay. Priyanka. So I'll start writing. Check your answers. Okay, Naja's answer I got. The rule is like terms can be added or subtracted. 2a. The like term with 2a is negative a. 2a minus a is 1a, just write. 2a is done. Thank you. Then C, 5c and negative 2c. They are like term. 5c minus 2c is plus 3c. So plus 3. Then plus b and plus 7b. Like terms, 7 and 1 is 8 plus 8. Last is a constant. There is nothing except 3, any constant, keep as it is. This is the answer. For good habit, you can also interchange. You can write 3c after the, doesn't matter actually. So a plus 8b plus 3c plus 3. In whichever order you write, that will be done. Got it? No, Jia, why negative? Tell me.
Sorry, I was writing positive, but I pressed negative, so it was positive.
You know it, right? It's okay, perfect.
Yes, yes. I also wrote it down in my book.
Perfect, perfect. So my objective is everyone 100% crystal clear? If yes, write CC. We'll move on. Right? CC on chat means you all are good. Let's do the next thing now. Okay, Vedant. Okay, Nishita, Kanak, Jia. Yes, thank you everyone. Yes, Priyanka, Naja. Now, what we're going to learn today is how to multiply and divide terms or algebraic terms. Guys, very simple rule. You know what? There is no rule. Okay? And the rule is, it's a very simple rule. Constants with constants, any variable with any variable. That's it. It's a very open rule. I'll explain what does it mean. If I say 2a multiply with 3b, there's nothing like unlike terms in multiplication division. No. No unlike and like terms. So 2a multiply with 3b. So multiply constant with constant. 2 times 3. 6. Multiply a with b. A with b nothing, so ab. You can't multiply ab, so just write ab. That's it. Even if I say 3k times 2t times negative 5a, you say, sir, very easy. I'll multiply numbers. 3 times 2, 6. 6 times negative 5 is negative 30. So I got the number as negative 30. Multiply the variables. K, T, A. K, T, and A. K, T, and A. That's it. It's so simple, right, Raja? Multiply constant with constant. Variable with variable. Yes, Mishita, please ask me.
So if you do like 2a times 2a, it will be
We are going
squared.
We are going to talk about Mishita. Just a moment. Wait for a few seconds. Good. So the rule is constant with constant, variable with variable. When the variables are different, they'll all come together. But what if variables are same? To understand, if I say a times a times a same variable. How many a's are there? 1 and 2. So power 2, right? A times a is a squared. And what is 2 times 2? 2 square. What is 3 times 3? 3 square. What is 5 times 5? 5 square. What is 8 times 8? 8 square. You think like that. If I say 5 times 5, it literally means 5 times 5 means 5 square. Correct? Same thing with variable. A times a squared. 5 times 5, 5 squared. If I say a times a times a, so variable is only a. How many is there? 1, 2, 3. Power 3. It's as simple as that. How many are there? 3. So a to power 3, a cube. That's it. If I say, listen carefully now. If I say, listen, 2a times 3a times 5a. First multiply constants. What is 2 times 3 times 5? 30. So I done that constant everything. Now what remaining? A times a. I already know. A times a is a cube, a to power 3. That's it. Even if variables are mixed, 5ab times 2a. Listen very, very carefully. Go with rule. Constant with constant. Constant is 5 and 2. What is 5 times 2? 10. Good. Then look for variable a. A is there, yes. A and a. How many are there? 2 a's. A squared. Count each variable by one. Then b. B is only one time. It's as simple as that. 10a squared b. So first constant with constant, then all variables one by other. If same variable, increase the power. If different variables, just write it. Tell me, Jia.
So the first one, a times a times a equals a cube.
Yes.
So is it like 1 times 1 times 1?
It's like plus 1, plus 1, 2, plus 1, 3. You have to count how many a's. So 3 a's. So we count.
Okay.
Let me give more examples. Lot of difficult examples now. If I say 5a times 2ab times abc. First of all, what we'll do, Jia, unmute. First we'll talk about numbers. 5 times 2 times 1. Because there is nothing number here, right? Nothing is
Yes.
just 1. So 5 times 2 times 1 is 10. Agree, Jia?
Yes.
Let's count a. 1a, 2a, and 3a.
3.
Means a has to be power 3. Because there are 3 a's, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Start counting next variable. How many b's? 1, 2.
2.
We'll say b squared equals 2, right? Let's count c. How many c's are there?
1.
You generally don't write power 1, right? C means c power 1, correct? That's it.
So it's like how many variable there are, we put it up on top
The same
as
variable,
cube
increase
or
the power. Yes.
the power.
Increase
Okay.
power. That's it. Continue. Yeah. I know you want to ask something more?
No, I forgot.
No problem. You'll get it. So we'll do more difficult question. What if I say 3a, b, 3abc multiply with 10. Now this is interesting thing, okay? If you get it done, this one, every question you can do. A square, b cube, c to the power 5. You have to multiply this. Please unmute Priyanka and explain all of us what approach you will follow.
So we will multiply first constant with constant.
So 3 times 10.
So
30.
30.
Then you look for first variable a.
Yes, sir.
Here a is 1a, right?
Yes, sir.
And how many a's are here?
So 1,
A squared, 2.
2.
How you get a squared? A into a. So 1a is here. A squared, 2 a's are here. How many total a's? 3. Thank you. You have to count how many is. Then let's count b. How many b's are here? 1.
So 1,
How many b's it means? B cube means?
3.
So 1 plus 3, 4. You have to add how many particular type? B to power 4. Tell me about C.
So 1,
1 here.
5,
The total is
6.
6 power. So the way you read answer is, you'll say, sir, the answer is 30, a cube, b to the power 4, c to the power 6. Can you read it, Priyanka? For others? Read this.
30, a square 3,
A cube, not a square. A cube.
a cube 3, b cube 4, c cube 6.
You cannot say cube again, no. You will say 30 a cube. Or if you don't want to say cube, let's say power. You will say 30 a to the power 3, b to the power 4, c to the power 6. Okay, Vedant, can you read this for everyone else?
Yeah, so 30 a cubed, b to the power of 4, and c to the power of 6.
Perfect. B to the power 4, C to the power 3. When the power is 2, you say square. When power is 3, you say cube. Okay? Let's try next. Kanak, explain this to everyone. Guys, I'm going to make it more difficult. Negative 2 a square b c cube times 5 a b 5ab squared c. Look at this, Kanak. Take your 10 seconds and then explain to everybody the method. Negative 2a squared b c cube times 5ab squared c. Everyone should keep doing in your notebook. Kanak, unmute. The method, please.
So first what you do is minus 2 times 5,
Very
which
good.
is minus 10.
Perfect. Then
And then you do a to the power of 2 times a, which is a to the power of 3.
very good. Because first is a2 and then is a1. So 3 a's. Correct.
And then you do b to the times b to the power of 2, which is b to the power of 3.
Perfect.
And then c to the power of 3 times c, which is c to the power of 4.
So very nice, Kanak. How you read the full answer finally?
Minus 10 a cubed b cubed c to the power of 3.
C to the power 4. Good. Thank you, Kanak. So well. Is everyone clear about the method? We are going to do more questions, but Naja, Mayank, are you perfectly okay? Nice. So let's check. Okay. Now, how you write answer on the chat? I'll tell you. Don't unnecessarily put lot of effort. If you want to write a square, b square on the chat, I'm showing you how to write. So be easy. If you write like this, I'll understand it is a square, b square. Okay. Write power next, just in the chat. Suppose you want to write this, I'll understand is 5a cube. Okay. Just to understand. So let's start. We'll do 5 questions quickly. Tell me 5a squared multiply with 3ab is what? Everybody had answer on chat. Very good, Kanak. Mishita, you're almost there. You multiplied the number wrong, otherwise good. Correct, Mishita. Naja, good. 5 times 3 is 15. A square into a is a cubed. And only b. Correct? A cubed. Jia, how many a's are here? A squared, 2 a's. How many a's are here? 3. A cubed. Okay? Priyanka, a cubed, not square. See? 2 are here itself, a squared, right, Priyanka? 1 more is here. So a cubed. So answer is 15, a cubed b. Next question, Naja will explain to all of us. A, B, C times 2 B, C. Naja, when you're ready, you can start explaining. 4 ABC multiply with 2 BC.
Sir,
Yes, please.
so I can start explaining.
Yes, please.
So first the constants 4 into 2, 4 2s are 8,
Perfect.
and there is only one a, so a,
Continue.
and there is 2b, so b squared,
Very nice.
and same with c, so c squared.
Very nice. Everybody check your answer. Answer is 8ab squared C squared. Very good, Naja. Next question is for Mayank. Mayank, explain all of us 3ab times 5 CAB. TAB.
Sir, first we have to multiply constants. So
Yes.
3 5s are 15.
Yes.
And there is 2a, so a square.
Very nice.
And there is 2b, so b square.
Very nice.
And there is 1c, so c
Correct.
only. And d.
Very nice. Got everybody? Super. Let's start with Vedant and then Nishita. First, Vedant, you explain this question to all of us. -2. I'm going to give you difficult and I'm going to give very difficult to Nishita. Okay? It's like that. Okay? C y to power 4 times minus a c squared p. Take your time, Mr. Vedant. We are ready. Explain to all of us. -2a squared b cube c y 4 times -a c squared. Yes, Vedant.
So do I explain first or do
Yes.
I work on it?
You explain first.
Okay. So there's only one constant, so we keep it as it is.
So
Do
-2 times -1 is 2 because this is negative,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, so we do that. And then a squared, and since there's no other a's, so
It's here.
oh sorry.
Is there, okay?
Yeah. So just a squared and then
How much?
a cubed.
Very good. Then
And then there is b cubed plus b, so that's b to the power of 4.
good.
And then there is 1c there, and is that squared for c in the second one?
This is the extra, this is square.
Okay, so there is c cubed,
And lastly,
and there is just 1y. Oh, sorry, 4 to the power of 4.
The answer is 2a cube b4 c
2a.
cube by 4. Perfect. Cool, everyone. Nice. Next question is for Mishita. Mishita, 20a times 5ab times abc. I'm going to make it difficult for you. Minus 2 abcd. Tell answer to all of us.
So the constants are 20 times 5 times
100.
-2,
100
which
times. Yes, continue.
is -200,
Perfect.
and a times a times a times a is a to the power of 4,
Very beautiful. Next.
and b times b times b is b to the power of 3.
Perfect.
Then c times c is c to the power of 2.
Perfect.
And d, because there is no other d, it's d.
So read out the answer, full answer once.
-2, a to the power of -200, a to the power of 4, b to the power of 3, c to the power of 2, and d.
Very good. Perfect. Thank you. Now tell me, every one of you, is it clear? Where is Kanak gone? Kanak, you are there? I cannot see. So is everyone clear or any doubt? Because now I want you to try any random question. Okay. The first random question will be given by Jia. Jia, say anything, any expression. Will multiply. Tell anything what comes in your mind.
Okay, 3ABC times 4ACB times 5CBD
Enough or more?
yeah, that's it.
So try everyone. Thank you, Jia. Try everyone. Let's see if we can do or not. And after that, Priyanka will tell me any random question. Any very difficult, Priyanka. Okay, make it very difficult. Try this one, everyone. Okay, Kanak, sure. So 3 times 4 times 5, 5, 4, 23, 60. 6. A times A, that's it. A squared. B times B times B, B cubed. C times C times C, C cubed. Lastly, only B. Now tell me whether everybody got similar answer or any confusion. Maja, Mayank, Nishita, all good? Priyanka, Jia, very good. Let's do one last question on this before we move on to division. It's Priyanka's choice. Tell Priyanka.
So 5 ABD multiplied by 2 CDA 4 ABC.
Okay, you people are not pushing power. That's good. Okay. So let's have we try this. Thank you, Priyanka. Kanak, so fast you're back. Good. So try everybody and tell me the answer for this. Five ABD times 2 CDA times 4 ABC. Guys, it's very simple. Just multiply numbers with number, constant with constant. Sorry, constant, variable with variable. 5, 2, 10, 4, 40, correct. A cube. B squared. C squared. D, that's it. A cube, B squared, C squared, D squared. That's it. All good. Correct. But Mayank, you cannot change small letters to capital letters. Okay, Mayank? Small means answer is small, capital is capital. Let's do one last question just to see whether how much you understood. -3 times 5A squared B cubed C5. Tell me the answer quickly. Who will speak the answer? Any one of you will tell me the answer. Raise your hand. Who wants to tell me?
Can I tell?
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, first we have to multiply constant, so -15.
Okay.
Sir, then A square,
Okay.
B cube,
Okay. Keep me as it is, right?
and C5.
So guys, that is just to check. So guys, it's always like that, okay? Check multiplication with number with numbers, variable with variable. Cool. So division also is like that. Division, how it works, rule is same. If I say 10A cube divided by 5A squared. Same. You divide number with number. What is 10 divided by 5? 2.
2A5.
No. Division. What is A cube minus A square? This time you subtract, right? So how many A's are at top? 3. How many A's are 2? So 1 remaining on the top. There's the answer. In multiplication, you're adding, right? Right, Jia? In multiplication counting, how many A's are there? You adding all of them. In division,
Yes.
you
I don't
subtract.
understand.
So Mayank, in division, you will subtract. How many A's on the top? 3. How many on the bottom? 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. So,
Okay, sir.
tomorrow, if I change the quotient to 7,
Sir, in multiply,
No.
we have to add the power, and in division, we have
Exactly.
to subtract.
subtract the power. So the answer for this question will be this. Correct or not? Tomorrow, if I give a question like 24 A squared B cubed C e to the power 4 B squared divided by. So guys, when I say done, then only you complete writing because I'll change it. Okay. A B squared C D cube. Vedant, explain to all of us. How will you approach this question?
Okay, so first the constant. So we have to do 24 divided by 6, which I know is 4.
Yes.
And then a squared divided by a is a. B cubed divided by b squared is b. C divided by c is it's
Cancel
gone.
down. Yes.
It's yeah. And d to the power of 4 divided by d cubed is d, and e squared just stays there because
E
there's
square
no-
will remain as it is because E square is not E. The answer is 4ABD square. Very easy, Naja, or not? It's a basic math. We have to add, subtract like that. But some of you may be thinking, sorry. Some of you may be, sorry. Some of you may be thinking, what if, sir, what if the power in the bottom is more? If I change this quotient to C to the power 3, so what will happen now? Very valid question, right? So then you will say, see, your number will remain same, A will remain same, B and D and as well. Only change is C. How many power in the C on top? 1. How many on bottom? 3. Who is more? Bottom is more. How much? 2 extra. It all depends who has the power. 1 power in the top, 3 power in the bottom. So how many extra power in the bottom? 2. It always the how many powers left out in the top or bottom.
So, sir, the leftover you just put on denominator.
Exactly. If denominator is more, denominator will get the answer. If denominator is more, numerator will get the answer. Both are equal, cancel out. For example, you are right. For example, if I say 5a divided by 15a cube, what do you think can be the answer, guys?
Sir,
5 divided by 15 is 1 over 3, correct? Everybody agree?
yes, sir.
A
Sir,
in the
A
top,
square.
correct. That's it. The answer is 1 over 3 as well. Everybody getting it, Jia? Where is the more power? They will left there.
Yes. So what if it is like the answer to 5 divided by 15 is 1, 3.
Yes.
So what if it's in a line? So like 5 divided by 15 equals, so do we put it like 1/3a cubed?
If it is not this, you are saying this.
So in a line.
This is the answer there. Five divided by 15. Tell me a question.
Yeah, so like that.
15a squared or cube?
Cubed.
So this question, this question are same.
Okay.
So this answer what we wrote is like this 1 over 3. That is
3.
we got it.
Okay.
So let's make it more difficult. 7 a squared b divided by 3 a b squared. Tell me, Priyanka, what can be the answer and how?
So we will divide for 7 divide by 3.
So 7 and 3 will not be divisible, so write as it is. Guys, don't need to put decimal. Put as it is. You cannot divide 7 and 3, put it as it is. Now next.
Then a square divide by a
Is only a at the
A-
top.
2.
How many a's are here?
So 2.
How many a's in the bottom?
The 1.
2 minus 1 is 1, right? And then b in the top, b square in the bottom. Who has more?
The bottom.
So how much more?
So 2.
No. This is how many b's are here?
The 1.
How many b's are here?
The 2.
2 minus 1, 1 will remain in the bottom, right? So wherever remains more, right? That 1 extra, right? 1 extra. For example, 6 a squared, thank you, Priyanka, b cube C4 B divided by 2 A. Gia, you have to solve this with for me. B5 C squared B cube, and Gia, you have to explain how this will work. Yes, Gia. Unmute. We'll do it together, Gia.
Sorry. So first we'll do the constant, which is 6 divided by 2, which is 3. And then a squared minus a would be a.
At the top,
Then
yes.
b
Cube and
cubed
B5.
b
Where it is
powered
more?
5. So the bottom is more,
How
so
much
it would
more?
be 2 more.
B square.
Would be square.
Then
And then c powered by 4 is, so it would be c square, and then d is d squared.
at the bottom, you always say top or bottom. So the rule is wherever they are more, you put it there.
Okay.
It's a balance. If numerator is more, put it there. If numerator is more, put it there. As simple. Very good, Gia. Is there anybody any confusion? No? Let Naja tell one question. 10 A cube B divided by 5 AB squared. How will you do, Naja?
Sir, so 10 divided by 5, it is a 2. So we'll write on the top. Then a to the power of 3 and
Divided by A. Yes.
a, that will be a squared on the bottom.
And the top. Jada kahan pe hai?
Top, sorry, sir.
Yes. Then
B divided by b squared, so it will be b as the denominator.
that's it. It's so simple. So basic rule of maths, right? How we do everyone, right? So simple. Mayank, 9 A cube B cube divided by 18 A B power 4. How will we do, Mayank, this?
Sir, 1/2.
Very good.
And sir, in numerator a square,
Very good.
and in denominator b.
Very nice. The answer is 1/2 A square by B or A square by 2B. Perfect. Kanak, good. You are good. Mishita, you are good. Vedant, are you good? It's about how you multiply and divide terms. If you understood all this, are you ready for challenge? Ready for challenge, which I never explained, but I know you can do it. Let's try. First, I'll write the full question, then only you solve. Simplify.
We have
Okay?
to write in chat.
No, you write down. You can write in the chat, but first wait for full question, okay? Because this will be interesting question, okay? So let's see. Where you want to do, you decide, okay? Whole divided by, I'm going to make it very difficult. This is the complete question. Take your time. Let's see who get this right. It's like combination of whatever we did today, okay? 2ac times 5a square b cube c5 whole divided by 10c times 2a square b square times negative 3a 4c.
I have a question.
Yes, please.
So -3, so it would just be 10 times 2 times -3, right?
Right.
Okay.
But Gia and everyone else, people know me. I always say you should make your math simple. So guys, do not try to multiply everything, Gia. Try to cancel it out. 3 with 3, 5 with 10, 2 with 2, become easy. Because you get a big number and then you divide, become difficult, right? So cancel bottom and top, 2 and 2 and 3 and 3, that become easy. Whatever you said is correct, negative will remain, but make it simple number. Got it or not? Good. You're on mute if you're speaking. Anyone could do this till now? Mayank has done it?
Sir, 1 minute.
Take your time, no hurry at all. Okay. Kanak has sent her answer. Nice, Kanak. Vishita has sent her answer. Okay. I'll put a line because I'll write something on top, something in bottom. Okay. Naja has sent. Good. I'm very happy that everybody's trying, whatever it is. So good. Okay, who else? Vedant has given his answer. Okay. So I'm starting now. You can continue, but I'm just starting. First, we'll do numbers. Listen carefully. 3 and 3 will cancel. Negative will remain. See, the top is positive and bottom is negative. So answer will be negative. Correct? The overall answer will be negative, right? Top is positive, bottom is negative, overall is negative. 3 and 3 gone. 2 and 2 is gone. Perfect. 5 divide 10, you get 2. So you'll get 2 in the bottom. You can say -1/2, or you can say 0/2. Both are same. So number is done. We'll get negative 1/2 or 2 in the bottom. Let's start with A. Start counting. The easy way. There's very easy way. See. I use different colors. Blue for A. 1A, 2A, to 4A. 4A on the top. 4 and 4 gone. How many extra remaining? 2 in the bottom. So A square will come in the bottom. Check with A. Did you got A square in the bottom, everyone? Vedant? Good. Let's talk about B. Let's use say green color. 1B and 3B. 4 B's. Out of that, 2 B's are gone. So I'll get B square in the top. Got it? No problem with that. So B square with the top because 2 extra B's on. This the rule is where is extra? 2 B's are extra, the top B square. Let's talk about C. Let's use orange color. 1C and 5. 6C on the top. Let's see. 1, 2. Oh. 6 in the top, 2 in the bottom. 4. What is remaining? A, B, A, B. Oh, we are done. So final answer, if you have to write, you'll say, sir, minus B squared C4 over 2A squared. So tell me how many could do exactly correct or very nearby to it. Open up and tell me. Yes, Mishita, good.
Sir, why minus B square and C?
Because this is negative 3, right? What is positive to negative? Negative. Any other question? Kanak got it. Good. Mishita got it.
Sir?
Good. Yes, please. Mayank.
Sir, I got 1b square c4 divided by minus 2a square.
And you are
It's
perfectly
equal to-
correct. You are perfectly correct, man.
Okay, sir.
Because you will not say 1b square, 1 will go, you will say b square. That's correct. Negative generally we don't put in bottom, you put in the top or middle. So perfectly okay. So Jia, Vedant,
And sir,
Priyanka.
minus?
Minus you can put at the bottom, but better to put at the top. Doesn't matter. So Jia, Vedant, Nishita, everybody is good. Priyanka, Jia, are you good?
I was a little confused. So first I did 3 times -3 and I got -27.
Why you done 3 times negative? See, let me
Yeah.
erase the cancellation. I'll tell you. Even if we don't want to cancel it out, let's see the numbers. How many number on the top? 3 times 2, 6, 6 times 5, 30. Correct?
Yes.
How many on the bottom? 10 times 2, 20, 20 times 3, 60. Negative 60. This is the numbers or not?
Yes.
How you cancel? Right?
So
Finally,
yes.
negative 1 over 2, right?
Mm-hmm.
30 divided by 60. So 2 will remain the bottom. So negative. So negative half. That's what we also got, right? There is no 27.
Yes.
Where are you getting 27 from?
So I think I did it wrong. I did 3 times -3. So
3 times negative 3 is negative 9. Correct?
yeah, I don't know how I got.
No problem. Maybe the calculation thing. The thing is, when you multiply all numbers you get 30 over 60 negative.
Okay.
30 over 60 is 1 over 2, right? With negative. That's it.
So
What about
first,
variables? Tell me.
if there's any question like this in future,
First
first
of all,
we
you
do
should try first thing you should try is positive or negative. This is
Okay.
positive, this is positive, 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 positive. Only one negative. So answer has to be negative.
Yes.
If there are odd negatives, answer is negative.
So
Yeah.
first,
First decide the
Sorry.
size.
okay.
So we decide the answer has to be negative. So forget the size. Then decide the numbers. Continue. What you think?
So if there's a negative sign, then we put a negative first, or if there's a positive sign, we put a positive first.
Okay. The rule is odd negatives. Answer is negative. How many negatives are there in the full question? In full question, only one negative, right?
Yes.
So one is an odd number, right?
Yes.
So negative.
Okay.
Even number of negatives. This is my way of doing. Okay. Even negatives. Answer is positive. I give you example of negative, positive in a moment. But apart from that, other thing is okay.
Yes.
Variables and all. So guys,
Yes.
I'll explain you guys. This is my way of doing negatives. Okay. Let's see how many you can do. -2 multiply with -1 multiply with -1 divided by 1 times -1 times -1. What should we answer? 2 or -2? Tell me, guys. This will clarify GI your all doubts about negative column.
Sir, -2.
So the GI and everyone, the idea is count how many negatives are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct or not? 5 negatives. 5 is odd or even?
Odd.
So answer has to be negative. As simple as that.
So -2.
That's it. Okay. There's the always rule. Anywhere in the world. This is my way of thinking. Yes. Then you don't worry about any negatives here now. Yes. Tell me, Jia.
So I just want to clear that. So first we count how many negatives there are in a question.
Yes.
Okay.
If number of negatives are odd, answer is negative. If number of negatives even, answer is positive. As simple as this. -2, -3, -2. Tell me, answer will be negative or positive?
Sir, negative?
Answer will be negative because there are 3 negatives. That's it. Cool. Anybody, any other question before we move on? Naja?
So if it is like -3 into -2 into -2 into -3, the answer will be positive.
Correct. Because number of negatives is even number. Perfect. Let's move on. We learn terms, multiplication, division. Now we learn how. This is a very important topic for your advanced maths. How to multiply expression, guys. Same rule, one extra thing. This is a very advanced topic for your higher maths. How to multiply expression. I'll give you a very simple example. One expression is a plus b. Okay. Multiply with another expression c plus. Both are expressions right there. Understand the method now. Remember, yesterday you were asking, yesterday, when you multiply the surds, same thing will here. So guys, the rule is,
No, sir. Expression have constant also, no?
expression can have constant also, can have. Not necessarily, it can have. So rule is everything with everything. Okay? That is my way of saying, okay? Everything with everything. Means what? Everything will multiply with everything. So first of all, how many terms are there? 1, 2 terms are here. How many terms are here? 2. Correct or not? 2 terms are here. 2 terms are here. What is 2 times 2? 4. Means your answer should have 4 terms, guys. That is the rule of thumb. Your answer, there should be 4 terms because 2 terms here times 2 terms here. So answer has to have 4 terms. Let's see now how it works. Everything with everything. You start from anywhere. Let's say I'm going to start from first A. It means this A will multiply with this and A will multiply with. Okay? So when you multiply A with C, how much you get? AC. Correct or not? Then you multiply A with positive D. How much you get? A, D. Correct? I multiplied first A with both of them C and D. A is gone. Forget the A now. A is gone. Multiply B with C and multiply B with D. So you get B with C is BC. And B with D is B. This is the answer. How many terms you got? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? I'll write this in a more neat now. More neater way. Understand. If you have to do this, first I will do this with, okay. Then I am going to do same A. You should make this kind of diagram in notebook, okay. Then I am going to do B. B with C. And finally, I am going to do B. Make this diagram now, you will never forget that how it works. B with C. That is how we will do. So I will say, yes, please.
Sir, so the answer will be AC plus AD plus BC plus BD, right? So
Exactly.
can we write it as A squared plus B squared plus C squared plus D squared?
So Naja, why square will happen? Tell me. Are we multiplying this or adding?
Okay.
Correct? Is adding? No. What is the rule of addition? Like terms. Are you seeing any like terms here? No, sir. Correct? Rule of addition subtraction is like terms. Rule of multiplying is anything. But a good question. Okay, shall we try now? And guys, this is a very interesting thing. So have you take a screenshot of this, okay? Because you have to make this diagram first time. Will I erase it? You're writing it, Mayank? Jia?
No, sir, 1 minute.
Okay. I'll drink water till then.
Sir, 1 second.
Yes, please.
Sir, 1 minute. 1 minute.
See, the focus is, if you're coming to my class, you should be crystal clear. So clear that you can solve any question in your school, okay? Shall I raise? Yes, Nishita is saying okay. I'm waiting. Mayank, where is Mayank disappeared? Jaya saying okay. So let's start with basic question first. If I say multiply 2a plus 5 with b plus 3. 2 terms in both, 2 to the 4 terms will get, right? Let's start telling me. First, 2a with b. What is 2a times b? Yes. Then 2a multiply with 3. What is 2a times 3? Correct? We are done with the a. Try with no will whole group 5 with both of them. 5 times b is how much?
5b.
5b. And lastly, 5 multiply with 3, 15. That's the answer. So cool, so easy.
Right.
Got it? So this question you will do
Sir,
now.
explain this once.
Mayank, it is same thing, Mayank. Multiply everything. 2a with b, 5 with b. So multiply everything with everything. First you multiply 2a with b. And then
And then
see the
three.
diagram, last diagram, same diagram I used, okay? So try the next one for everyone. 5 plus 2c. Everybody write answer on the chat. 2 plus 3a. Everybody write answer on the chat in the same order so that I know you are doing good. Five plus 2c times 2 plus 3a. Okay, Nishita, Kanak. Yeah, there should be 4 terms.
Sorry, 1 second. I just posted the two.
Yeah. And you should put something in between. 10 and 40, something should be between, right? Plus or minus. Separate terms are there, right? So first thing, let Gia do together. Gia will do together. 5 times 2. 10. Yes, Nadia, yes, madam. Yes, good. Plus 5 times 3a. Good. Right, Gia? So done with 5 with both, right? Then 5 with 2 and 5 with 3a. Right, Mayank? Now we are going to do 2c with both. 2c multiply with 2. 4c. Lastly, 2c multiply 3a. 2 times 3 is 6. That's the answer. Clear or not? Gia? Good. Try this, guys. 3k minus 1. I'm going to make it difficult. 2 plus k. Let's see who does it correctly. Let's see. 3k minus 1 times 2 plus k.
So would we do 3k times 2?
Correct.
Because
Yes.
Okay.
There are 4 terms. First term, second term, third term, fourth term.
So first we'll do 3k times 2. So 3 times 2 is 6, so 6k. And then 3k
With
times k, so 3 times 1 is 3k. And yeah,
square,
and then
right? Squared, right?
right,
What is 3k times k? Tell me.
because there are 2k, so that's why it's 3k.
Right. Correct. Same rule of multiplication. Now,
Okay.
-1 with multiply with 2.
So that would be 2,
-2. -1 times 2, right?
right?
See,
So
again, same rule. How many negatives are here? In this
1,
table. Well, so odd number, right?
1.
Same rule.
Yes.
And lastly,
And then,
-1 times k.
so that's
-1 times k
negative,
is,
negative k.
that's the answer. Good. 6k plus 3k square minus 2 minus k. Yes, man. Good, man. Good, man.
Sir, if the order is like another way, is it still okay or is it wrong?
There are odd negatives. You can write in any order.
So if it's
Better is
so if it's
write in-
3k squared plus 6k minus k minus 2.
So I'll tell you. Ideally, what we should do is we should write in the order from highest to lowest. We'll talk about. Highest power is k square. We write 3k square. Correct? Now, tell me, Naja, 6k and -k are similar terms or not? 6k and -k are similar terms? We can subtract, right? Vedant?
Yes.
What is 6k minus k?
5.
And then, so final answer should be this. Yes, Jia.
So does it always have to be 4 terms?
Depending on the question, how many terms are here? 2
2,
times. How many terms are here?
2.
So 2 times 2 is 4.
So let's say if there's
Suppose there is 3 terms here
yeah,
and there is 2 terms here. So 3
Mhm.
times 2, 6 terms will get.
okay.
If there are 10 terms here and 15 terms here, you will not believe, Jia, you will get 150 terms. Okay, it's like this.
Okay, so it depends on the question.
Exactly.
Okay.
After you get, guys, this, simplify to combine the like term. 6k and -k is 5. Okay? Let's try one more. 5a plus b times 5a minus b. Let's see who does it correctly. Let's see. What happened? My camera has gone or what? 5a plus b times 5a minus b. Okay. Good, Mishita. And Mishita, your answer is correct, but can you simplify something if something can add or cancel? Your answer is correct. Yes, you have done it. Yes, Mishita. That's good. So, Mishita, explain to all of us the method first.
So first, 5a multiplied by 5a is 25a squared because
Correct,
there-
guys? Please. She is explaining very clearly. Very good, Mishita.
and then 5a multiplied by negative b, because there is one negative, the answer will be negative, so it will be negative 5ab.
Perfect.
And then b times 5a is 5ab, and b, again there is one negative, so it will be negative b squared, and You can simplify it because negative 5ab plus 5ab will balance out to 0.
Correct, guys? Minus 5a plus 5a will cancel it out, balance it out to 0. So final
And
answer,
then
Mishita.
25a squared minus b squared.
Very nice. You explained very clearly, Mishita. I love that. Super. Got everyone? Anybody any question on multiplication? Multiplying expressions. You will need this a lot. Same rule what we use for multiplicative terms, you use it here. That's it. Okay, Naja? Now let's talk about have you heard about this?
I have heard some, but I don't know what it is.
Well, explain.
Oh,
Believe
same.
me. Yes, Vedant and Nishita, and you will not believe, I have taught so many students who are in the like engineering, like they are 20, 25 years age, done engineering. But even if I ask today, 50% of people will say it wrong. Many people don't know what is polynomials. Polynomials are expressions having positive integer power. Guys, this is the two important word. Positive integer power. I'll explain you now, okay? Positive integer power. For example, if I write this, y squared plus 2y plus 5. First of all, is it expression or not? It is expression, right? So, what is the power of y? Here, Vedant? 2, right? So, 2 is a positive and integer. Okay. What is the power of this y? 1. Positive. It's a constant. So, all the powers are positive integer. You can say that this is polynomial. Positive integer
What?
power.
The power has to be positive.
And integer also.
Okay.
If I say y squared or say y 1.5 power plus 2y plus 5, is it a polynomial or not? Not a polynomial. Why? Power is not an integer, it's a decimal. So it's not a polynomial. If I say, let me put some space here. No, I don't have a space. If I okay. If I give one more example, tell me is polynomial or not. Y to the power negative 3 plus 2y plus 5. Is it a polynomial or not? What do you think, guys? It's not. Why it's not, Bata?
So because the power, it is negative.
Correct. The power of variable should always be positive, should always be integer. So polynomial are those expressions having positive integer power. Cool. I'll ask you more questions now. Connect clear. You are clear, right? Can I erase it, Jia? Tell me.
Can you,
Tell me.
sorry,
Jia.
if you don't mind, can you go back? I want to take the screenshot. Yeah.
Hope I will get it. I don't know. It's gone now. It won't be there. I'll write again Example. It's deleted, okay?
It's okay. Thank you though.
Thank you. So, if I write this, a squared plus 1.5a equal to 100. Is it a polynomial or not, guys?
No.
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 Says no. Nishita? No. Why it's no, Priyanka?
So because the number is in decimal.
Okay, why it's no? Why it's no, Vedant? Same reason. Nishita, why it's no?
Because the 1.5 is not an integer.
Okay. So listen carefully, guys. Tell Nishita, what is the power of this a?
2,
2.
What is power of this a?
1.
So which variable has negative power or which variable has integer, not integer power? It's a polynomial, guys. I am talking about power of polynomial.
Oh.
Oh, okay.
Is
So like
1.5 a power? No. It's a coefficient, right?
So polynomial is only to do with power, sir.
Exactly. It is only to do with power.
Oh.
And even if I put 100 to the power minus 3, still it's okay because this is a constant. I am looking about power of a variable. Okay. Power of a variable. Nothing else. Got it, Vedant? Priyanka? Power of a variable. If I say negative 2.5 a cube minus b power 5 equal to 100 by root 2. It's not an integer root 2. Is it a polynomial? Yes or no?
yes.
Naja says yes, Jia says yes. Okay. Give me your reasons, Jia and Naja.
Because the power. Sorry.
Yes, Naja, you can tell me first.
Because the powers are positive.
Okay. Jia, what is the power of first term?
Positive. And
How much? 3 is the power. How much is the power of second term?
5.
And this doesn't apply. So all powers are positive and integer. And you are correct. It's a polynomial. And what is the degree? Guys, degree is highest power of every term. In the whole polynomial, whichever the highest. What is the degree of this polynomial? You will say, sir, degree is 5. Degree is the highest power of any term. The highest power is 5, degree is 5. Okay? Degree means highest power of any term. If I say 3a cube minus a squared by 2 plus 1 by 4, is it a polynomial? Yes or no? Kanak? Is it a polynomial?
No.
It's not a polynomial. Why?
Because it isn't. There's no what's its name? It's
Polynomial is where all the powers are positive and integer. So what is the, so Kanak, what is the power of the first term?
3.
3.
Positive 3.
Positive. What is the power of second term?
2.
Positive. Correct? Third term doesn't matter. It's a constant. So all the powers are positive? Yes. All the powers are integers? Yes. It's a polynomial. What is the degree of this?
3.
Degree is 3. Because the highest power is 3. Cool, everyone? Let's try quickly now. Next. No. 5 a to the power half plus 3b equal to k. Is it a polynomial or not, Vedant?
I don't think so.
Why?
Because one of the powers are half a number and not a
It's
complete
not an
positive.
integer. Yes, it's a fraction, not a polynomial. Not a polynomial. Correct? Not a polynomial. If there is no polynomial, you cannot find degree. Degree is always about a polynomial only. Degree, not defined. So let's see. Find degrees of below polynomial. A squared equal to 10. What's the degree?
2.
3 is 2. 5a equal to 1000. What's the degree, guys?
1.
Degree is 1. 10. Is it a polynomial or not? It is a polynomial with no variable, constant variable. It is known as constant. It's a special type, constant polynomial. Degree is 0, no variable, constant polynomial. Okay? It's an expression, it's a term, it's an expression, polynomial. Polynomial can have one term also. Luckily or unfortunately, the term is having only the variable, or only the constant. That's fine. Tell me the degree of the next one. 7y cube minus 2 equal to 5y squared. What's the degree?
Sir, cube of 3.
Degree is 3. Correct? It's all easy till now, not Mishita? All good? But let's see how many of you understand it clearly. This is correct. Degree of a term. If I say 5abc plus 2a squared plus 5a equal to 10. How many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 terms, right? What is the degree? It's a polynomial, correct? What is the degree? 2, 3, 1, 4, 0, nothing. What's the degree? So let's talk about, okay? How much is the power of this? Doesn't matter, correct? Constant. How much is the power of this? What? How much is the power of this?
Sir, 2.
This all of you know. The problem is this. How many power of this term? This full is a term, right or not? This full is a term or not? It's a term. How to decide the power of a term? A is 1, B is 1, C is 1, totally 3. 3 is the power there. Term. What is power of A? 1. Power of B? 1. Power of C? What is the full degree? Full power of term? Total 3 power, right? So the degree will be power of term. Got it, Jia, Vedant?
Yes.
So though it looked like 2, but here there are 3. 1, 2, 3. Tomorrow if I say, what is the degree of this term? Or power of this term? A square, B, C cube. What is the power of this term? Can you tell me, Mishita?
Is it 6?
Correct. How?
Because the a squared has a power of 2, b has a power of 1, and c
3.
has a power of 3, and
So
all
6.
of them together have a power of 6.
So degree of term is 6. Got it? So let's see now. Tell me degree of the polynomial. 10a squared minus ab plus 5b squared plus 6 cube. Tell me the degree of the polynomial. What do you think, Priyanka?
So 3.
3. How?
So because it
What is the power of this?
so 2.
2. What is the power of this?
So 1.
2 na? 1 and 1, 2. 2 elements
Okay.
in quantum. 2. What is the power of this?
So 2.
What about this?
So 3.
Doesn't matter. Why? Constant.
No
right?
variable.
Constant.
So degree is. Got everybody? Degree of this polynomial is 2. Constant power doesn't matter. I can add 6 to power 3 or I can add 216. Both same, right? Agree? Yeah. Constant doesn't matter. Why constant doesn't matter? Because I can add 6 to power 3 or I can add 216. Both are same, right? Or I can write 16 or I can add 16 as 2 to the power 4. Constant you can always change the variable, right? So constant doesn't matter. Let's try one more. Find out the degree of the polynomial, please. Negative 5 a to the power 3 plus a b c d minus a square b plus 1 over 4. Tell me, is it a polynomial or not? First, how you tell me. Is it a polynomial? How many you think yes? How many think no? Solid concepts, okay? Tell me, who is saying yes, who is saying no? Yes will say like this, no will say like this. Okay, show me on your screen. Vedant, Jia is saying yes, Mishita, Kanak, Najao, everybody is saying yes. Nice. It's a polynomial. Correct. Tell me the degree now. Is it 0, 1, 2, 3, 4? Don't know. You can put hand like this. Like, okay. I can see all of you. So Mishita is saying 4. Vedant is saying 4. Jia is saying 4. Kanak saying 4. Naja 4. Priyanka 4. And all of you are correct. Good. Degree means power of the term, highest power of the term. Let's do a last question before you ask me any question. 5a squared b cube c4 plus 3 minus plus. Tell me, is it a polynomial or not? Mishita saying yes, Vedant is saying yes. Kanak is saying yes. Jia is saying yes. Priyanka and Mishita are thinking. Priyanka and Naja are thinking. Is it polynomial? Yes. So everybody say yes and everybody is correct. Now tell me degree. You can write down chat if you want. Or you can unmute and speak. Your choice. What is the degree of this polynomial?
11.
So let's expect Jia saying 11. Why?
Because
I'm
it's
not
the
saying right or
highest.
wrong. I'm not asking right or wrong. I'm asking you why. Tell me.
Because it's the highest.
So because of this,
Yes.
so Jia is saying 11. Anybody, any other answer? Speak up. Mishita saying no means no idea, or Mishita saying 11 is correct?
11.
11. What about Vedant, Kanak,
11.
Priyanka?
So 11.
11. Naja.
11, sir.
So, very good, Jia. Its 11 is correct. Because even if you add up this, it's coming only 9, unfortunately. So, we are good. What if I make it 11 by 2? Is it the degree 11, guys, or not? Tell me. What's the degree now?
It's not a
Nine.
degree.
Very good, Jia. I tricked everyone. You will say, sir, it is not a polynomial. You know, guys, it was a tricky question. Jia said,
Yeah,
sir, it's not a polynomial.
It's not a polynomial because it's a fraction now, so not.
That's the point. You know, I intentionally. So it's not a polynomial, no degree. Simple. Good. Hope you understood. Expressions. Tell me, Jia.
I have a question. So,
Yes,
so this question would not be a polynomial because the power is
Not polynomial.
11.
No degree. Yes.
Okay, because the other numbers, so 5a squared and that, so what about that? So,
Doesn't matter. If the expression has any term which has negative or fraction as a power, gone.
so it's not a degree or not a polynomial.
It's not a polynomial, hence no degree. Any other question, anyone? Perfect. Thank you, everyone.
Thank
How
you,
it is.
sir.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Bye.
See you
Thank you,
next
sir.
weekend. And who is that Naja with you? Thank you. Naja, what's the name of your sister?
Haza.
Heza, how are you? Are you able to see me? Fine. Okay.